Hello, my name is Kirill. I'm student of grade 10 at NVRK school. Today I would like to share you my opinion and answer a few questions about life during a pandemic. Well, let's go directly to the questions themselves. Question number 1. How do you cope 1 year after the pandemic started? A lot of time has passed since the beginning of the pandemic and it was not difficult to get used to, but now everything is fine. Question number 2. Do you continue to learn online or have you been back to school? At the time of recording this video, I am on distance learning, but after a few days, I switched to contact learning. Question number 3. Have you seen your classmates or teachers in person since the pandemic began? Yes, since the beginning of the pandemic, I have rarely, but met in different places with classmates and sometimes with teachers. Question number 4. What has been the best and or worst part of being is not being at school? In my opinion, staying at home was more comfortable, and the worst thing in this situation for me personally uh, is the difficulty in concentrating on school. Uh, Question number 5. What do you want to say to the people who are watching this video? I would like to say that you do not give up in your endeavors and that you will succeed. Thank you for attention.